It was basically a 1 hour discussion covering mental disorder from all these different disciplines. And today I would probably like to, maybe an extension of it, or possibly see whatever direction this goes in for them.
Sure, yeah, I'm down for that as well. I have worked with kids in the past that had autism, and I never saw a case, like I never saw two kids that ever had the same kind of.
So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when a person's external stimuli is augmented.
Technically apply to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's greens in there, as well as those beiges.
So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the pre-conscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics.